Hi, is this on? Yeah, I believe it is on. 안녕하세요, 여러분. 오하요 gozaimasu. GM traders, hope you're well. Well, yesterday, market did the unforeseen, melted towards the downside, like there's no tomorrow. Before we continue, let's have a look at the news. Looking at the news today on Thursday, nothing closure except for the 3:30 p.m. unemployment claims. Nothing much that is coming in. 11 we have some low impact news, low impact news. On 10 euro, Spanish flash CPI. Make a dent on the market, but not much. Over to our charts. On the charts, wow, interesting. So very interesting. Matched to the downside. Today, when the Asian session, we took out the buy side liquidity of the previous day. And yeah, but we are coming in towards in this demand zone over this particular point, and yeah, it is good, man. I'm anticipating for a bounce off this area, boom, today, but this, before we break this demand over here, we'll have to have done some digging. People will have gone to their pockets. Looking over the weekly, made that week, and then boom, we're doing the sell-off. Over the 4 hour, I was talking about this sell entry yesterday, and yeah, market sold off and apparently is selling off. But where are we coming in? We are coming into this OB, which is proving to be very interesting. So looking over from this particular OB over here, the 3 count rule. Okay, we enter the flip. No, we are not gonna enter the flip, not unless we have the break of this order block. Boom, break of this order block. The break, retest, push the downside. On a break of this, a little bit of pullback, then we continue the sell-off. But not unless we have that, I am holding on to my horses. Over the 1 hour chart, we are seeing that we are coming in to this major fair value gap that was it has been there for a minute, and yeah, and it is making sense in a lot of ways. Yes. So from this area over here, from this OB over here, we created a 3 count rule, and yeah, from the market morning breakdown, yesterday's morning breakdown, I was talking about this market. Oh, exactly, that is what it did. So today, paying attention to this market, what it's telling us, We may come into this. Yeah. But we need to be very wary of these levels that are printing on this chart. So as you can see, my chart is bugging out. I'm not sure what's wrong with these charts, just bugging out. Or should I pay for this service? Also, when I reload it takes me to IC markets. I do not want IC markets. IC markets are the baddest, the worst. I do not want to be taken to this area. No. Take me to this Pepperstone or where? Or FXCM. Now we have to wait for the markets to load. You see, it is bugging out. Still bugging out, man. I don't know what's wrong with these charts. I think I will need to have two charts in my Nini. Like you see on Pepperstone, they are not saying that we have a fair value gap here. We have a OB over here. Yet it is clearly shown on the FXCM has the best charts. Pepperstone, I'm seeing they are trying. But one thing about you see, it is bugging out, man. Oh, they need to fix this issue. It's up, man. There's something wrong with their servers. It's just ridiculous, man. And a minute ago it was good, but now it is doing this. As you can see, we are coming into this fair value gap for the second time. Let me not keep on doing this. Over the 30 minutes, hope it is not bugging out also. 30 minutes good, not bugging out. Over the 30 minutes, we are seeing what? What are we seeing? We are seeing this market do its thing, man. Having that sell-off. And we saw an entry that was established, the same entry, established at the same particular point, both on the 30 minutes and on the 1 hour, like this one. So this one has to go on ahead and give out its position, its pips and whatever. Also, as you can see, the sell-side liquidity is still forming. Yeah, over the 15 minutes, what are we looking at? The 15 minutes, we're seeing, not unless we have the break of this and this supply, we are really not on a bullish run, but on a bearish one. So the market is on a selling spree. Switching over to our 1 hour, what are we seeing? We are seeing this market also, not unless we break this one, we are still on a bearish run. Also, we are seeing this, the R3 counter was established here, and yeah, from this particular point, that sell-off is coming in. Onto our main charts, the 5 minutes. These are our bread and butter, the 5 minutes. This one speaks. Every other chart quivers. Looking over to our 5 minutes, we're having a lot of surprise that need to be mitigated or be taken care of before we do what? Right? Before we consider going bullish. So that's what's up, and textbooks buys today are looking clean. Yeah, looking clean because as you can see on the 4 hour, we are coming into this OB over here for the first time, and looking at the daily, we'll be coming into this OB here for the first time. So this liquidity that is being held at this particular point is massive. Just a lot of liquidity that is settling at this particular point, and this is demand. So meaning there is demand for what? For buyers come in and push to the upside. As you can see, this is green. Okay, that's it for my breakdown analysis. So remember, don't break your own rules. For goodness sake, it is your own rules. Nobody came and set those rules for you. It was you and you alone that set those rules for yourself. So remember, don't break your own rules. And have a beautiful day, wonderful day ahead. And this market, watch out for them. As you can see, also the sell side liquidity still printing since it is not 9 o'clock, where the Asian session tends to come to an end. That is where I tend to mark off the Asian session, since that is when the Frankfurt is opening, and then at 10 a.m. that is when the London is opening. So all in all, take care and peace.